Hey, thanks for checking out the dessert episode in our 5 for 5 series. During this series, we've been posting some recipes that are lower in calorie with an objective of 5 videos in 5 weeks to get 5 to 10 pounds off. Got 6 pounds off, and this series has helped me get back on track, which brings us to today. We're going to do a dessert episode. This recipe comes from a Better Homes and Garden cookbook, the Calorie Smart Meals. I really enjoyed this book. It came out in 2015. It has sections for meals that are less than 500, less than 400, and less than 300 calories. So let's get to today's recipe. We're doing a chocolate ravioli. Luke is gonna love this, and so are you. So the first thing we did was we took some softened cream cheese, half a cup, and we mixed it with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we used 2 ounces of sweet baking chocolate. We chopped that up real fine, mixed it in here so we have our filling, and now what we need to do is make our raviolis, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. Okay, so I've got the oven preheating at 375 degrees. Now we want to get our wonton wrappers filled with this delicious filling that we made. Again, some cream cheese, some sugar, and a little bit of sweet chocolate that's chopped up. So what you want to do, lay out your wonton wrappers, and then get about 1.5 teaspoons of your filling and place it right in the middle. That looks good. And then you want to moisten the edges. This is just a little bit of water for my fingertips. We're going to moisten these edges. So that it'll stick. And we're going to fold this over to form our raviolis and press those edges to seal. You can use a pastry wheel to seal these. I'm going to smash this down a little bit with a fork. That's sealing it really good. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to brush this with a little bit of egg wash. This is just 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. Shouldn't need too much. It's going to help this brown. That looks good to me. Take a little spoonful like that. So you want, this needs to be 1.5. This is a teaspoon, right? So the amount is 1.5. So I'm just kind of scraping some of that down. You see that? Mm-hmm. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put that in the middle. See that? That's nice.
It smells good.
It's really good. It's chocolatey. And then you take your finger and just dip it in the water. Now watch. And then you're gonna run it on the ends,
so that they're sticky.
So they're moistened. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it over. See that? And press the ends together with your finger. And you want to match them up real good, okay?
Sticky like spaghetti.
And then you can press them with the fork.
Mm-hmm. We're having these tonight, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. No, I forgot. Forgot to do the moistening. What's the moistening do? Does it just help it stick?
Yeah, I don't think it'll really stick if you don't do that part. Okay, we've got these on our cookie sheet with some aluminum foil and a little bit of cooking spray. They're gonna go in the oven here at 375 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. And then when we're done, we're gonna finish these off with some toasted almond slivers and a little bit of caramel. Okay, these came out great. They did take a full 14 minutes to cook, but they browned beautifully. Quick tip, probably fill them a little less than I showed you and try to get them a little bit more flattened out, but otherwise they look great. We finished these off with a little sugar-free caramel sauce and some toasted almond slivers. And the great thing is you get 2 of these per serving, and they come in at 134 calories, 19 carbs, 7 grams of sugar, and only 5 grams of fat.
Can I just have one?
Yeah, which one do you want?
This one, no regrets.
All right.
Cut the camera. Let me enjoy this.
Rich, chocolatey, so good. Great for after dinner, whether you're having coffee or a glass of wine. We did it. We finished up the 5 for 5 series.
Here you go. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Don't win. Or point.
I'm gonna finish mine. Those are really good. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of caramel sauce and some toasted almond slivers. This is gonna be great.
Yummy. You winked again. Come on.
You want me to leave?
All right, these came out great. Yeah.
Did you want the paper clip in there? I guess. you
Yeah,
did.
paperclip's fine.
Okay.
It's very healthy, I think.
Okay.
Rustic, like me. Is there food on the camera lens? This is coming from a Better Homes and Garden. We already had dessert. We haven't even made dinner. So we're doing a dessert. This comes from the Better Homes and Garden. I forget the name every time.
Can I have one now?
No, not yet.
Oh.
Calorie Smart Meals.
Cooking with Luke. Hey guys.
All right, that's good.
Merge it in.
No, I don't like to do that. I know, it's good. We've been doing a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. That's terrible. I'm not gonna post any of this. I doubt it will even make it to the outtakes.
I don't know if I would prefer goldfish over that, but it's really good. And I would like that more than goldfish. You don't flavor goldfish? I'm a genius.
And now what we need to do is make our raviolis, which I'm gonna show you here in just a second. Oh!
Nailed it.
You can stop.